Okay, now let's study sign scheme of an expression in which we have repeated linear factor or factors. Like we have here these two expressions E1 and E2. In expression E1, factor x minus 2 is occurring 3 times. Exponent of factor x minus 2 is odd, okay. And in expression E2, factor x minus 2 is occurring 4 times. Exponent of x minus 2 is even, okay. Now in both the cases, critical points are same. Critical points are 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. So we mark this critical points on real number line 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. Now first we write here individual factors. Factors x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4, okay. Then x minus 2 cube and x minus 2 power 4, okay. And then we write expressions E1 and E2, okay. Now factor x minus 1 will be greater than 0 for x greater than 1, okay. So signs of this factor will be plus, 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 plus and minus, okay. Factor x minus 3 will be greater than 0 for x more than 3. So signs will be plus, plus, minus, minus, minus. Factor x minus 4 will be greater than 0 for x more than 4. So signs will be plus, minus, 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 okay. We have cube of x minus 2. X minus 2 is greater than 0 for x more than 2. And for positive values of x minus 2, its cube values will be also positive, okay. And for negative values of x minus 2, its cube values will be negative. So signs of x minus 2 cube will be plus, 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 minus, minus, ठीक है. यहाँ पे x लेस देन 2 के लिए इसका साइन माइनस होगा ना. फॉर x लेस देन 2, x minus 2 is negative and cube of negative is negative, okay. Now we have x minus 2 power 4. This will be always positive except x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2, this will be 0, otherwise it will be greater than 0, okay. So everywhere sign will be plus for x minus 2 power 4, okay. Now we can write sign scheme of E1 and E2. For E1, signs will be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, okay. Here signs are changing alternatively, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, okay. Now we write sign scheme of expression E2. We consider these factors x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 2 power 4. We have plus, 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 so sign will be plus. Then we have plus, plus, minus, plus, sign will be minus. We have then plus, minus, minus, plus, sign will be plus. Here we have plus, minus, minus, plus, sign will be plus again, okay. And here we have minus, 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 plus, sign will be minus, okay. So what is change here? Here at x is equal to 2, sign is not changing. While crossing x is equal to 2, sign of expression E2 is not changing, okay. In E1, sign is changing at every critical point. While crossing every critical point, sign of E1 is changing, but sign of E2 is not changing while crossing critical point x is equal to 2. For this critical point, corresponding factor is x minus 2, which is occurring 4 times, okay. X minus 2 has even power, so here sign is not changing, okay. So what we can conclude? Now this will be the sign scheme for एनी इवन एक्सपोनेंट. आप यहाँ पे एक्सपोनेंट को कोई भी इवन इंटीजर ले लें, नेचुरल नंबर ले लें, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 कुछ भी ले लें, ठीक है. साइन स्कीम हमेशा यही रहेगा बिकॉज x माइनस 2 पावर इवन विल बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव एक्सेप्ट x इज इक्वल टू 2. एंड हियर वी कैन टेक एनी ऑड नेचुरल नंबर. फॉर ऑल ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स वी विल हैव दिस साइंस फॉर x माइनस 2 पावर n where n is odd, okay. So sign scheme of even will be this for any odd natural number, okay, and sign scheme of E2 will be this for any n even natural number, okay. So conclusion is if we have a factor x minus alpha power n in expression E, अगर expression E में हमारे पास ये फैक्टर है x माइनस अल्फा पावर n, देन साइन ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन will change while crossing x is equal to alpha if n is odd. अगर n odd होगा तो क्रिटिकल पॉइंट x is equal to alpha को क्रॉस करने पे साइन चेंज होगा, एंड साइन will not change while crossing critical point x is equal to alpha if n is even. अगर n even होगा तो क्रिटिकल पॉइंट x is equal to alpha को क्रॉस करने पे एक्सप्रेशन का साइन चेंज नहीं होगा. ठीक है. Here we have wave of expression E1. At each critical point, sign is changing. Okay, and this is the wave of expression E2. At x is equal to 2, sign of expression is not changing. Okay, तो समझ में आ गया concept कि पावर odd है तो साइन चेंज होगा, पावर even है तो साइन चेंज नहीं होगा. Next question E2. Let's replace x minus 2 power 4 by modulus of x minus 2. इसको मॉड्यूलस ऑफ x माइनस 2 से रिप्लेस करते हैं. ओके, देन व्हाट विल बी साइन स्कीम ऑफ E2? व्हाट विल बी चेंज इन साइन स्कीम? देयर विल बी नो चेंज, साइन स्कीम विल बी सेम. ओके, द रीजन इज मॉड्यूलस ऑफ x माइनस 2 is greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. At x is equal to 2, this will be 0, and for other values of x this will be greater than 0. Okay, so here modulus of x minus 2 be greater than 0 except x is equal to 2. So sign scheme of E2 will remain same. वो यही रहेगा. ठीक है. So hope you are getting this concept. Let's try one question based on this. Okay, look at this expression. We have repeated linear factors: x minus 2 power 5, x plus 3 power 3, x plus 4 power 4, x minus 5 power 6. What do we do? We first mark critical points. We compare each factor to 0. हर एक फैक्टर को रिस्पेक्ट देना है. रिस्पेक्ट ऑल द फैक्टर्स. द क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स विल बी -4, -3, 1, 2 and 5. Okay, what will be first sign here? For x more than 5, what will be sign of expression E? For x more than 5, all the factors will be positive. Okay, so sign of expression E will be positive here. Okay. Now we are crossing critical point x is equal to 5. What will be sign here in this interval? Corresponding factor is this, x minus 5 having even power. So sign will not change. जब हम इसको क्रॉस करेंगे साइन चेंज नहीं होगा. So here sign will be positive. Okay. Then we are crossing x is equal to 2. Corresponding factor is x minus 2 having odd power. Okay. So sign will change. Okay, so here sign will be negative. Okay, then we are crossing x is equal to 1. Corresponding factor is x minus 1 having odd power, so sign will change. Your sign will be plus. Okay, then we are crossing x is equal to -3. Corresponding factor is x plus 3 having odd power, sign will change. Sign will become minus here. Okay, then we have critical point -4. Corresponding factor is x plus 4 having even power. Okay, so sign will not change, sign will be negative here. Okay, so this is sign scheme of expression E. समझ में आ गया? जिस फैक्टर का पावर ऑड है उस क्रिटिकल पॉइंट पे साइन चेंज होगा, और जिस फैक्टर का पावर इवन है उस क्रिटिकल पॉइंट पे साइन चेंज नहीं होगा. ओके, दिस इज वेव ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन E. काफ़ी अच्छा वेव बन रहा है. ठीक है, डिजाइनर वेव है. नाउ सपोज वी वांट सॉल्यूशन टू दिस इनइक्वालिटी E greater than or equal to 0. What will be solution? Solution will be x belongs to closed interval -3 to 1. Okay, at -3 and 1 we have closed interval union closed interval 2 to open interval 5 union open interval 5 to infinity. Here we have to exclude x is equal to 5 because factor x minus 5 is occurring in denominator. ठीक है, तो हम x को यहाँ पे 5 नहीं ले सकते. Okay, so this is solution to this inequality E greater than or equal to 0. Similarly, we can solve other inequalities like E less than 0, E less than or equal to 0, E greater than 0. ठीक है, but the main thing is sign scheme where factors are repeated. Now sign scheme also works well with the non-linear factors. Like we have here expression E involving factors 2 power x minus 1 and 0.3 power x minus 0.09. These two factors are not linear. Now here to decide the sign of E, we will use the same algorithm. Algorithm same रहेगा, method वही रहेगा. First we compare each factor to 0 and find critical points. हर एक फैक्टर को 0 से कंपेयर करेंगे, क्रिटिकल पॉइंट निकालेंगे. Now if we compare this to 0, we get 2 power x is equal to 1, so value of x will be 0. Okay, and when we compare this factor to 0, we get 0.3 power x is equal to 0.09 is equal to 0.3 power 2. So from this we get x is equal to 2. Okay, so critical points are 0, 1 and 2. We mark these points on a real number line. We have here 0, 1 and 2. Okay, and here we have expression E. Now we first consider this interval. यहाँ पे एक्सप्रेशन E का साइन लिखते हैं. ध्यान से लिखना है साइन. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज प्लस, ठीक है, माइनस भी हो सकता है. Now consider some value here, say x is equal to 3. For x is equal to 3, we have a 0.3 cube, which is 0.027. Okay, 0.3 cube क्या होगा? 0.027 होगा. 0.027 minus 0.09 is negative. Okay, so in this region this factor is negative and these two factors will be positive. Obviously 2q minus 1 is positive, 3 minus 1 is positive. Okay, so we have a product of factors having signs plus, plus and minus, so sign of expression E is negative. Okay, then we change sign alternatively. यही तो इसकी सबसे अच्छी बात है. पहला साइन आप ध्यान से डिसाइड करो और फिर साइंस को ऑल्टरनेटिवली चेंज करो. ओके, सो वी हैव हियर साइन प्लस, माइनस एंड प्लस. सो दिस इज साइन स्कीम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन ई विच इन्वॉल्व्स नॉन लीनियर फैक्टर्स. ओके, बाकी तो क्वेश्चंस आसानी से हो जाएंगे. लाइक इफ यू वांट सॉल्यूशन टू दिस inequality E greater than or equal to 0, then x will be, कहाँ पे होगा x? x will be in the intervals minus infinity to close interval 0 union close interval 1 to 2. Similarly you can solve E less than 0, E less than or equal to 0, then E greater than 0. ठीक है, the main thing is साइंस स्कीम में जो मेथड है वो सेम है for any types of factors. ठीक है.